Mama wakwaba aha GCN page so midi de adwoa searching and then you did the kind of day ehwe me a mesra na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so we be notification and it's an news said betum bia we be ete anase we be ahwe ewo GCN page ha Nana B NPP Nana B and na okase na ne sema okay na ne say eye NDC fo empenefo Omo amboa ye honorable Quayson Asiedu North MP omo amboa no kra because ni case na e court no enya de omo fa asem ni serious omo am fa asem ni serious omo de ma lawyer we na wa aso ho kakra na omo de ma lawyer we na wa aso ho kakra mpa asem na e court no na omo nya follow up omo from asem na omo nko chese omo nya bibia na omo fa because omo nim say election na call so e wo Asiedu North na honorable Quayson wan win ya oye MP e wo parliament house ni ntin wa wie enti no NDC fo mpani fo mo afa asem na serious bia kopim say na anu ya eye court the judgment eba out say honorable Quayson entimi enye MP bill anase ontimi enko parliament house anase ontimi enka say ono na oye MP ewo Asiedu North no afi ansa na NDC fo omo eni abre enti no kamia kwaye say honorable Quayson NDC fo mpanifo no omo amboa no krakrakra omo amboa no na NDC fo omo eye yedum pimpia netiko because eye ore Asiedu Nketia eno yes had no time election eba be koso no NDC for essence omo akọ position nti no hu siasa nti Asiedu North e ba se honorable Quayson ebe gina no na je se won wa akotena Canada aba owo sika nti okasa ogina no akasa betumi a sponsor aye ne campaign nti no e no mu piempia na enye odobi omo de do no nti na omo ma no standing na emu essence ko wo nti na omo ntumi sponsor no na na akasa de sika be sponsor nti no e no omo ta na chi a oto aba no ogina as MP ewo Asiedu North akofa court nsensem na de aba nti no eye Nana B nso eye lawyer wako law school osanso eye penimpa ewo NPP na ochire say honorable Quayson sebio wanye fast anya smart because NDC fo penifo no omo use no nempa asem ne court no sebio omo di achi na omo gitu maka enkodu sene edu nti Nana B chire say NDC fo penifo omo e honorable Quayson amana yi no omo yi ni mani na kire say omo follow court case no omo ndi achiye omo ani nso ambre
law no on the moment I be trockrata or the becon authorities in Sabekano
enche say warrant now
not fine we should
go through process be a
sana o makano but we share omo mra ni mukra nya sanity ne di kan krata o try no o try no 2019 ni ehun say 2019 o try no it was received our authorities omo 2021 yes because I know they were not serious about it we even doubt the authenticity
no can kire court ne say Ivorian for the all that you need is
to na eno anadam na order letter be by letter no
French
date no 2019
say time no the letter
me wa say wo kwohwe date so a Ivorian authorities no so
receive
2021
Nania letter no di come mfie mienu
Sally it we even doubt the authenticity
of letter no the back court no
we doubt it so and also the same attitude I shall so much serious omo finally omo say afi omo hu say emra na yi Quayson no and afi omo ni abre wo ho but it's too late it is here no case no say omo case management level no my ni na awie obi ade na yaba nyame ade my be hearing I think said next month 6th 7th and 14th you are called na no asema ba betudwa na Ivorian law no crampo chese say odo krata na ba omo bi omo do mo friend decree na decree no is the nature of certificate of renunciation na pepepe omo so betro bibia ma o chese omo so ma receive it a same issue and our court it me say NDC for ma omo leadership no dada omo they have not been serious about this case from day one. It's the same attitude omo exhibit here Supreme Court you winning so no boa eno e bi no mo de call Sa a high court in sense. And for us, we are very clear. Me ubusame na Honorable Quayson is not a North MP.
So bring it out. I told you, say we buy na we be attacking Honorable Hopes na doye kura na. And Kanye now would have joined on your train. But Oba no, o de be for papa penny and within the baby. When you know damn well the man sacked you when you went into the hotel that day and the bodyguards didn't let you go in. And then the Wabet now said, who be play victim's card. Now, let me give you the genesis. Shout out to Obetua Vim Power House, right? Yeah, I think I believe you did an awesome job yesterday, and you need to be commended for that. Everybody that is doing an awesome job, we thank you for that. Bloggers said Jimmy for us. No ready now after Niama you did two screen with number who be no. Number we say why you truffle blackmailer. Neduma odi ano. Na wo me ba first na me be ka kire wo say wa ye ni na ye ni me ye ho. Dia wo ye no enye wo nam fufuo say wa frɛ me ka kire me say kwasi ye kura no dia ya damfo no ye no eye ye nwa ba ye pa kyɛw. Ade we die me nkonkobo so ba ne nkoye bibia na me ye sanka me twa so. Now we go with page in the swat. Send me foolish face like my foolish beard. Then extended it to my kids. Then you, after issuing all these things against my kids, ran rather to the police and say, I have threatened you on my page. So people should come in and rape you. When everybody and the tape is there to prove. Toronto police, if you are here, go on my page and read it. Go and listen to my tape. If anything said that. This shows how desperate this girl is willing to lie to put innocent people into problem just to prove a case. Obejina ka say make kwesi apia me be video no me ka say na organizing crowdform o me rape no me send no crowdform o me be ku no me ken ono na nam ho emma threats to people say ono ka trena ojira me page so a okasa no onche no ye has she heard the sound of a gun before I feel they say why we a gangster. But to them, say you can do anything. After and then revelation, I know, say, why you are Jezebel, you can do anything. You can do anything. You are a real demon. You are a real demon. And it's only fools and the best to solve. You blackmail your own friends. Who said that? Setting them up. To get them in a compromising position, then you use it against them. If they are can be ano and so and yes, sir, who be disgrace you. And no more fair in it here. Oh, yeah, ya know me do it. And because someone person will do a mass and babble thing. Sewa will be arrested or call Ghana and Yachin, Chroma, so we complain that. Especially with this extortion, the Anna may try to say, Minya Sa power of attending, say, I can represent Flagstaff House and ask me to many embassy one and ask a consulate one to represent so that she comes to court and answer and bring